the top 10 most expensive cars till 2020. So, let's begin the countdown. In several ways, the Sian represents a bridge to Lamborghini's future, through it's based on Aventador. The wild-looking Lambo is the brand's first production electrified offering. In addition to SVG-sourced 6.5-liter V12, the Sian uses a 48-mild hybrid system. The total system output is 819 horsepower, which is 611 kilowatts, which also makes it the most powerful Lamborghini ever. As confirmed by the 63 stuck on either side of the Sian's wing, Lamborghini will produce just 63 units. In each will cost far more than the Aventador SVG, carrying a price of 3.6 million. Earlier in year 2019, Bugatti captured the collective attention of the automotive world by announcing that it broke the 300 miles per hour barrier with a modified version of the Chiron. The Supersport 300 Plus is a road-going version of that car, meant to celebrate the occasion, limited to just 30 units. The Supersport 300 Plus is a beautiful version of the Chiron with falling slippery bodywork and a sweet stripe mountify. Even with 300 in the name, Bugatti is limiting the top speed of each car to just 277 miles per hour. Its production will start in 2021. Lamborghini built just 14 examples of the Aventador-based Veneno between 2014 and 2015. Each one cost around $4.5 million, depending on how it was specs, and was available in both convertibles and coupe configurations. Under hood, Lamborghini fitted the most powerful iteration of the Aventador's 6.5-liter V12, now producing 740 horsepower and 509 pound-feet of torque, which give it the ability to sprint the 60 miles per hour in the blistering 2.9 seconds. To the date, it was the most expensive new Lamborghini ever. Introduced its most affordable model, the Jesko, this year in Geneva, but the diamond-coated $4.8 million CCXR Trivetta sits in the opposite end of the Koenigsegg's price spectrum. Finished in the proprietary diamond weave finish exterior, the Koenigsegg is motivated by a twin turbocharged 4.8-liter V8 with 1004 horsepower and 797 pound-feet of torque. The company built just 3 examples before discontinuing the CCX for the good. Announced in September of 2019, the Pagani Huayra La Mola is the dialed-up hypercar of our dreams. Pagani filled us in on more technical specifications earlier this year, claiming 827 horsepower and 811 pound-feet of torque. from the AMG derived twin turbocharger 6-liter V12. This makes it the most powerful Pagani ever, up 36 horsepower from the recent Vira BC Roadster. We love the revised aero touched, like the massive rear wing and roof scoop, which harken back to the Zonda era. As you can imagine, the Lamola is extremely limited. Just 5 examples will be produced, asking a strategic $5.4 million each. Among Bugatti's recently debuted vehicles, the Divo is a staff favorite, though it shares much in common with its cheaper sibling, the Chiron. The Divo has a lot going for it to justify the extra money by adding lighter wheels, the carbon fiber intercooler, and removing some sound deadening Bugatti. Made the Divo 77 pounds lighter than the Chiron, though power is unchanged from the Chiron 1500 ponies. The Divo features a different aerodynamic setup, which makes it 8 seconds quicker around the Nerdode test track. Finally, the moment you have been waiting for. Bugatti is making 40 examples of the car, each costing $5.8 million. Many others before it, the Mercedes-Benz Maybach Accelero is the one-off commissioned by Florida, a German subsidiary of Goodyear. To test its new tire, the Accelero debuted in 2004. Mercedes built the Accelero on the bones of a Maybach and give it the same twin-turbo V12 engine producing 690 horsepower and 752 pound-feet of top. Top speed is listed at 218 miles per hour, and adjusted for inflation, the Accelero would cost more than $10 million in today's money. Debuted this car at last year Pebbles Beach Car Week, showing off yet another ultra rare, super expensive model of the world, limited to just 10 units. This car is a modern throwback to the Bugatti's EB110. At the same time, it means to celebrate Bugatti's momentous 110-year anniversary. Its unique styling clues won't make everyone fall in love, but at least you won't have to worry about seeing another one on the road. Carrying a price just shy of $9 million. This car is one of the most exclusive cars ever made.
This is Rolls-Royce Bespoke.
Okay, technically the Rolls-Royce Swiftail claimed the title World's Most Expensive Car in 2017. Problem is, Rolls-Royce didn't officially confirm that number, meaning the next car on our list takes home the title, but at an estimated $12.8 million. The one-off Swiftail outpriced the next most expensive vehicle by a jaw-dropping $5 million. The Rolls-Royce Swiftail took more than 4 years to develop before its debut at the 2017.
All over the world. I wish I could create another car like it, inspired by today's technologies, and build the ultimate, graceful
$12.5 million, a selling price of $18.7 million after taxes. The one of Bugatti's La Voiture Nori is officially most expensive new car ever, and understandably a modern interpretation of Jean Bugatti's personal Type 57 SC Atlantic. This car uses the same quad-turbo 8-liter W18 engine as the Chiron, producing 1,479 horsepower and 1,600 Newton meters of torque. It has 6 exhaust tips, radically new wheels, an aggressive bespoke fascias, and gigantic light-up badge out back that spells out of the name of the brand. So that's all for this time. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe and comment below.